Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss, rather, I am going to discuss over an issue which is little sensitive and very common, and day by day it is taking serious shape. It is especially for the youngsters, young girls and boys, like live in relationship and extramarital relationship, or committing suicides untimely. It has become very common. People have started taking it as a normal thing. If one has extramarital relation, or one is having live-in relationship, that simply has one answer of your character for anybody, matlab those who have, I'm not saying yours, like lack of sense of responsibility. Inner strength is very weak. You don't want to hold the responsibilities. Those who like which were in the older times, people they used to live with each other for years and years, 40 years, 50 years, 80 years, but they never thought of leaving each other or jumping from a relation to another relation. It's just because lack of patience, lack of sense of responsibility. Lack of patience is reason. Again, I am working on the mobile, but reason is mobile. If we are annoyed with somebody, we want to fight with somebody, we will not take time. We will not think once, twice, thrice. We'll simply pick up our phone and send WhatsApp hot messages, and or we will call, or it's a really very serious situation coming in the society. Life is not just 2 to 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or till the age of you can say 35 to 40. Life is a long process, right? I request all to increase your inner strength, to bear each other, to understand each other, to accept each other. However, one is, may it be siblings, may it be parents. People are not like, very funny thing. People are not liking their parents. Parents are not good. Parents are not good. Parents are not, because over knowledge, over expectations. Parents are giving so many luxuries to the children that they don't give importance to the parents. Here, parents are also at fault. They are also giving too much of luxuries to their children. They are not giving time to their children. चलो मैं आई एग्री कि चिल्ड्रन पेरेंट्स दे डोंट गिव टाइम टू द चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टन रीजंस, बट यू हैव योर ओन जर्नी. You have to live your own life. You don't have to be rebel all the time. Be patient. Successful person is always a person who holds the sense of responsibility, sense of patience, sense of taking care of the relations, no matters how bad others are. You have to be yourself. You have to improve yourself. Kindly don't go for live-in relations. It's just a lust, nothing more than that. Because you don't want to hold the responsibility of each other, meeting each other for some time, doing what you want to have a pleasure, then leaving and living your own lives. This is all what fact is. Please, listen to this video carefully and just think, am I right? Thank you.